I think we can all agree that Accounting 101 should probably be taught in high schools. But alas, here we are. And if you were like me when you were starting out your business, there were a lot of accounting terms: P&L, gross profit margin, balances, balance sheet, you name it, that it's just overwhelming to wrap your head around. Not to mention, how do you understand things in a way that you can make sound financial decisions for the budgeting of your business? So we've created a little blog to break down the fundamentals of a budget, to really give you some insight on key terminology and how to approach a budget to make sense of where you are headed for the future. And now is the perfect time to start thinking about that as we start to go into 2024 planning. So feel free to take a peruse down below. And if you have a friend or another business owner or anyone who might benefit from that knowledge, feel free to share that blog with them as well. And if you have any questions, we're here to help. Thanks so much.